In this video, I will show you how to create email addresses from the first and last names in Excel using two methods. Do not forget to watch the second method because that is what you should use. So let's start with the easy method first. There are many ways in which email usernames are created. Some email usernames contain the first character of the first name and the last name for the username part like this. Some businesses prefer to have the first name followed by an underscore or a dot character and then the last name like this. In any case, type the desired username in the first cell manually. I am going with the first name dot last name at domain format, so I will type it here and press the enter key. Now reselect the cell and press the Ctrl and E shortcut keys for the flash fill. As you can see, Excel has recognized the email pattern and created all the email addresses in the same format. You can type any other email address format you want in the first cell and then use the flash fill to create the remaining email addresses. The problem with this method is that it is not dynamic. So if you change the first or last names later on, the email address will not be updated automatically with the new values. To fix this, we are going to use the CONCAT function to create the email address in the second method. Let's assume we want to create an email address like this. To do that, type an equal sign and then type CONCAT and an opening bracket. The CONCAT function combines text from multiple cells or strings. Since we want the first character of the first name, we will use the left function. Select the first name cell as the first argument and 1 as the second argument to extract the first character of the first name. Now type a comma and select the cell containing the last name. Type a comma again and then type the @ character followed by the domain name in the double quotes. Now type the closing bracket. The CONCAT function will combine all three string arguments into one. Finally, press the enter key to complete the formula. Drag the cell from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, Excel has created email addresses from the first and last names in our desired format. To use the first name dot last name at domain format, we can slightly change the formula like this. Watch this video to learn about how to quickly change name format from the first name last name to last name first name in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.